if you're squinting at your phone, or missing calls you swear never rang. You probably don't need a new phone. You just need a few better settings. Let's fix them. First, make the text bigger. On both iPhone and Android, open Settings, then Display, and increase the text size. Still too small? Look under Accessibility for options like larger text or bold text. Most people are surprised by how much easier bold text is to read. Next, make everything bigger. Changing the text only affects words. Settings like display zoom on iPhone or screen zoom on Android make icons, buttons, and menus easier to see and much easier to tap. Third, turn on the built-in magnifier. Your phone can zoom in on tiny print, whether it's on your screen or through your camera. It's perfect for medicine labels, restaurant menus, or anything with tiny text. Now let's fix missed calls. Here's something a lot of people don't know. Your ringtone volume is separate from your music and video volume, so even if videos sound loud, your phone might barely ring. Open your sound settings, raise the ringtone volume, and choose a ringtone that's clear enough to hear from another room. And if you still miss calls, turn on the camera flash for incoming calls. Both iPhone and Android have that option under Accessibility, and it's surprisingly helpful. One last tip: don't change everything at once. Try 1 or 2 settings first, use your phone for a day, then decide if you want more. The goal isn't to turn on every feature, it's to make your phone easier to use. If you know someone who's been squinting at their screen or missing calls for years, send them this video. They'll probably wish they'd known about these settings sooner.